Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can spot trade on Phemex. So let's get straight into it. Now the first thing, you need to be logged in into your profile account. Then here at the top left corner you will see the spot. Just go with the mouse right or hover over to the spot and then select spot trading. Now here at the top left corner just select the pair which you want to use. So we will stick with BTC USDT. Now you can place your order. So we have here limit. So limit order, set a specific price. The trade only fills when the market hits your target price, and you can enter your limit price and quantity and then click buy or sell. So here is the option. Then we have market order, is probably this is almost the same thing. So just enter the amount you wish to spend or receive and then just click buy and sell. This is instantly, so you are buying directly at this current price. Also we have then conditional order. Then this triggers a market or limit order only after a trigger price is reached. And yeah, this is how you can spot trade in Phemex. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next